Today, I'm going to tell you about how to get some free stuff. This year, I got a free Apple Pencil, a free iPad. Oh my God, it's so dirty. And a free icy maker. I can't wait to try this out. Okay, so how did I get all this free stuff? By using my credit card well. How do you use your credit card well? The way to use your credit card well is to pay off your balance every single month. Do not leave a balance on your credit card. If you do that, you're going to get charged a lot of interest. Okay, so you're probably thinking, wait a second, I don't have the self-discipline to do this. I just keep spending and spending and spending. I believe in you. You do have the self-discipline to give yourself a budget. If you feel really stuck, you can always put a limit on your credit card so you cannot spend more than that limit. Credit cards will give you really awesome rewards if you use them well. So if you're not spending any money on interest, you can just enjoy the free stuff. To get all this free stuff, I used my Amazon Amex card. This card gives me 5% back on all my purchases at Amazon. And I buy everything on Amazon. Cat food, toilet paper, paper towels, candy, stuff for my tutoring business. I got my Amex that's platinum. That's just makes me seem cool. I don't know. This gives me like free upgrades on hotel rooms and cash back and stuff like that. I just got this new Chase credit card because my health insurance stopped taking Amex. I got my JetBlue card for JetBlue points. I got my Delta card for Delta points. I got my Victoria's Secret card for, ooh, you know what? I got all kinds of credit cards. Oh, just a quick reminder, do not open up a bunch of credit card accounts really fast. That will not be good for your credit score. You don't want to open up a new credit card. I think it's just like once every 6 months is what they recommend. So if you use your credit card well, pay off that total balance every month, you can get free stuff like the Apple Pencil, the iPad, and even an icy maker. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to leave your comments below in the chat. Don't forget to click on that link for the free PDF I created for 3 key principles for financial freedom. If you follow those 3 steps, you're going to feel way better about your finances. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Then you can get access to my weekly videos. I'm going to be doing more about credit cards in the future, so you don't want to miss those. Okay, happy credit carding.